Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to turn off the File Explorer's quick access view in Windows 10 and default it back to this PC's view that is more familiar in earlier versions of Windows. Just for an example here, if we actually open up File Explorer, we can see it opens up the quick access area showing our frequent folders and recent files we have accessed most recently, as the name would suggest. So in order to change it back to Windows 8 and earlier versions where it would just go back to your general PC settings, here's how we're going to do it. So we're going to go up to the View tab at the top. We're going to left click on it. We're going to go to the far right side here and left click on the Options button. At the top here where it says Open File Explorer 2, click on this box and then select this PC. Then left click on Apply and OK. If you close out of here and then we reopen File Explorer, we can see it directly opens up this PC, and that should be about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.